I'll start with a sense of Jhabua. I come from a district where 87% of the population is the tribal population. 44% is the literacy rate, and women literacy rate is only 33%, that is 11 from the bottom. Only 10.8% of our households have television sets, 2.7% have computer laptops. So, and we have only 55 banks to cater to a population of 1 million. Given the typical situation in Jhabua, we wanted to create a bunch of e-services which are easy to understand because our people are largely illiterate and easy to access, cheaper to procure, and it should be fair, accountable, and citizen-centric. We have done two kinds of initiatives. One, which have been the initiatives of the state government and government of India, and we have our own initiatives, which I come later. These Lok Seva Kendras, Madhya Pradesh is the first state to provide a legislation for the guarantee of services, sector services. As at date, we have 1 or 2 services provided under this legislation. We have 6 e-governing, we have 6 Lok Seva Kendras to provide different services in a time-bound manner. This is the initiative taken by District E-Governance Society, equally initiative of the state government of Madhya Pradesh. As my earlier collectors have said, EFMS is one of the biggest challenges in our villages, because earlier fund used to flow from the district nodal account to Gram Panchayat account, then it used to be going to the beneficiary. Though it seemed very simple here, district account to Gram Panchayat account to beneficiary, it used to take at least a month to reach to the hands into the hands of the beneficiary. EFMS, as earlier speaker said, it's one of the initiatives of the government of India. Though we have been, we have less number of banks and financial institution was very little. Jhabua is one of the districts to migrate into the new system very quickly. As on date, we have disbursed wages for 10 crore to our laborers. As part of national program for modernization of land records, we have adopted this also. Khasra, Katoni, and all the records are available online and they are available in digital format. E-Basta is an updation of revenue records and maps. It has been computerized. Now I come to our initiative. We have created a dedicated website for each and every panchayat, and we have details of the beneficiary of all the schemes in the panchayat. This would bring transparency and a kind of accountability on all levels, from district to Janpad to the Gram Panchayat. Then we have e-Pathshala for Kisan, that is called Kisan Pathshala. We have one Krishi Vigyan Kendra at the district headquarters. We have 6 point of presence through SWAN video conference rooms in 6 blocks. Seasonal sessions are conducted every month by the scientists of KVK to the farmers who are present at the different block levels. We have a database of 8,000 plus farmers to whom we send seasonal advisors prepared by the scientists of the Krishi Vigyan Kendra. It would be sent twice a week. Law and order, in the field of law and order, we have done interventions. The undivided Jhabua was one of the notoriously known for high crime rate in Asia. Now Alirajpur is divided from Jhabua. Even then we have a high rate of crime rate. We have adopted, we have fixed a GPS system on the patrolling vehicles so that patrolling properly takes place. One initiative by our district superintendent of police is exchange of phone numbers between the complainant and the investigating officer, so that there would be a kind of relation, and whenever he has to call him or her for the investigation or anything further that wants, a kind of relation would be established. In the field of education, we have done a intervention. We have, as I have already said, we are one of the backward district in terms of education. We conduct sessions, regular sessions from different block headquarters by the available faculty for the children who are appearing for the board examination. Children will be present at the block headquarters, VC, office, VC chambers, and teacher would teach from different block headquarters and sometimes from district headquarters. We conducted a career guidance program in the last October, November. Last year, 298 students from our district got into different professional courses. This is for internal monitoring. We have in-house software for public hearing, that is Jansunwari and other complaint monitoring system. We conduct paperless time limited meetings. Projector is projection is made through presentation and MIS. So the impact of all this intervention is citizen is empowered, he knows his rights. Time and money is saved, because otherwise for a farmer to get advice from KVK, he has to travel all the way from his village. So that we have cut down time and wastage of time and money. And due to strict monitoring, administrative system is also getting efficient. Our USP, we are serving one of the most backward areas of the country. Anyhow, the intervention that we have made, they are replicable everywhere. They are cheap and they can be adopted by the available technology in most of the districts. Thank you.
I think you should introduce yourself to everyone.
Yeah, your name is.
Because you are representing Jashik Yawar.
Sir, I am Dhanaraju. I am CEO Zilla Panchayat of Jhabua.
Okay, then Raju, as we all know, Jhabua is one of the most backward districts of the country, not
Sir.
only the state.
Sir.
And it has been a pashala for all kinds of interventions, innovations.
Close.
It has been there for years. One of the initiatives which I like very much is your VC system for school education.
Yes, sir.
How many schools have you covered and how many sessions do you have every month, and the phones, etc. there from?
Sir, last.
Before you answer, I will supplement there. We
Yes.
also had the same thing at the other side.
Yes, sir.
So have you, please cover with your answer, have you supported those VC points? VC points, the one
Yes.
point in.
Yes, sir.
Who has made, the schools have made, or you have?
No, sir. Sir, we have SWAN's statewide area network, and the POP, point of presence of SWAN, is in our block headquarters. Block headquarters, they are very small VC chambers. They can cater only to 50 to 60 students at a time. So 50 to 60 into 6, that would be 300. Last time we started very late, this career guidance, specifically career guidance. Last time we conducted, we covered 1200 children. Then we brought them for a residential training program because of these two interventions. Career guidance throughout the year, throughout for 3 months. Then once they completed exam, they were brought to district headquarters as a residential program. That was done with our own resources. So as a result, we could make 298 children to end up in. Yes. Yes. Sir.
Okay, now you talk about board examinations to.
Yes, sir.
That's something new, but then my question is.
Sir.
I'm hearing for.
Yes.
Preparing for board exams.
Yes, sir. It is
Is that
both.
allowed as per the guidelines?
No, sir. Sir, preparation.
So, what I
No.
understood, Raju,
Sir, we
that
have-
you
yes.
are bringing the students
Yes.
in the block,
Yes.
but is these
Yes,
we have
yes, yes.
वो बैठ रहे होते हैं,
Yes, sir.
और our faculty is in district,
District.
so you bring that best faculty,
Yes.
so you make a schedule,
Yes.
ये 6 होगा या
Yes,
8 होगा,
yes, yes.
इस दिन पे
Yes,
होगा,
बिल्कुल.
ये सेशन का
Exactly.
duration होगा,
Exactly.
this is well coordinated and
That was
acceptable.
weekly sessions. That was weekly session, not daily. Weekly session.
Just a way of
by way of suggestion,
Sir.
if you could also record these sessions
Yes, sir.
and put it on the website.
Yes.
All those schools with, all the DVDs.
Yes, sir.
So people, I mean, all those schools which have different facilities, they could download and offline mode,
Yes,
as
yes.
is saying,
Yes.
you can use this precious resource.
And it's a very, very good suggestion. Once you have done that,
Yes, sir.
get a copy made.
Yes, sir.
and
That
give it
can be
offline.
later. Yes.
In fact, for example, there's a platform like Digital Beam, which is originally they developed for agriculture, but you can even use that platform, for example, you can just put there, it can be used for others also. I just have two questions. One is, you mentioned about details of all beneficiaries
Yes, sir.
are available.
Yes.
Now, my question is very simple.
Yes, sir.
In which languages are those details?
Sir, it's in English.
It's in English.
Yes.
Second thing is, you mentioned that earlier it used to take 1 month from the district
Yes, sir.
account
To the
Gram
beneficiary.
Panchayat to beneficiary.
Yes.
How much time does it take now?
Sir, now it is e-transfer. Enter
How much time
with a click of a button.
from district office to beneficiary?
Yes. With a click of a button.
One day.
Yes.
One day.
Like any other e-transfer.
Fine.
Yes.
One day.
Yes.
Yeah.
This education program is how it is different from virtual classroom project of the state. State is also running, state government is also running virtual classroom project.
Yes.
Which has also same thing. So how is your project different from that?
No, our project is we are using the resource person from our own district, from different blocks and headquarters. That's running parallel.
Parallel. So it's a different program. It's only a district-based program, and then they are not having daily classes or something.
No, it's
They're
weekly.
only failure counseling type or what we can go prepare.
But virtual classroom should also incorporate these features which you have.
Is it two-way communication?
Yes, sir. It's a two-way communication.
If you BC, then it is.
VC.
Both way we.
Yes, sir.
We
Yes.
see
Yes.
it.
Sir, 6.
On technology, what is?
Sir, SWAN, statewide area network. Yes.
No, they have the law. We have given in the SWAN. You have given the
Avinash is
POP,
my-
points of presence for the BC.
Avinash is my batchmate and he is heading
All the
SWAN Madhya Pradesh.
Okay, thank you, Dhanraj.
Sir, thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much. Mr. Vivek Kumar Parwal from Jabalpur. You are